What's up, YouTube? We are back again with another video for you today. Today we are talking about tomatoes. So as you can see that we already had some tomatoes that was already growing. Um, I already planted them without you guys, so I'm just going to give you an update of what's going on, and then we'll just monitor them over a weekly time frame. All right, so let's check it out. All right, y'all. So this is our first tier that we have up here. We have some more mortgage lifter tomatoes. So I put two in this planter on, today is the 10th, so I did that on the 8th. I put these in on the 8th. So my goal is to get these. These are the first time I have ever tried these types of tomatoes, so hopefully they're gonna get big and taste good. Okay, and then we move over to this one over here, and it's on the trailer system as well. And this one was planted into this planter on the 8th, but as you can see by the label, I planted these on February the 5th, 2026. And these are self-watering pots here, so hopefully I don't have to water them that much. I just fill up the tubs and it'll wick itself up into the root systems, and the tomatoes will be perfect. All right, this is another variety of tomatoes that we've gotten in here. These are pink fang tomatoes. Anybody in the comments, have y'all ever tried these? Let me know how they taste. And then we got our trailer system, our tomato cage as well. All right, over here we got some beefsteak tomatoes, and these were planted on the 5th as well, and I put two in this potter here. So y'all, we plan on having a lot of tomatoes by what we got here. And then of course we got some that's out here in the green stock. Let's check on those. They're looking pretty good. These are beefsteaks as well. All of these out here are beefsteaks. I got my pole in here for when it get big, I'll tie it to it. Here's this green one. Zoom in so y'all can see the details. Not bad, not too bad. All right, and here is the rest of our tomatoes that we got planted. We got some beefsteaks, some more mortgage lifters, pink fang tomatoes, and some tomato spoons. So as you can look, they are doing really, really good up out here. So they're ready to go into the ground, but I just got to figure out where I want to put those. And they may not all get into the ground, but at least we'll have some that's growing. Okay, and now since we already spoke about tomatoes, let's give an update on the peppers. Remember we had that black tray seed with all those peppers in it. I up potted them, and let's go check and see how they're doing. All right, so these are the peppers that we got out. It rained yesterday, but I didn't leave them outside, so I'm gonna give them some water today. But what do we got here? We got King of the North still here. We got some banana peppers that's doing good. What is this? Oh, this is our little watermelon. This one died. I don't know what happened, but hopefully we can bring it back alive. We got a gold main lime pepper. These are all bell peppers. King of the North, gold main. I'm trying to decide if I want to plant some jalapeno peppers, because I did plant some, but they never took. So I might go ahead and plant some of those today. Okay, here's one that's out here in the green stock. It's a King of the North. I didn't know I had some out here. Let's go check our other planter. Oh, here's another one here. Here is a King of the North as well. So we're gonna have plenty of bell peppers, but we need some hot peppers. Okay, update here. These are yellow monsters. I don't know what happened to this. What does this mean, y'all? Is that means like sunburned it? Because these were in the greenhouse. That's why I brought them out. That's a yellow monster right there. And you see, look, he's trying to die. I don't know what happened. My marigolds are doing good, because all this is peppers here. Yeah, so hopefully we'll get something with these peppers, because yeah, cause see, look, they all got that thing right there, right here. I don't know what happened to them. All right, y'all, here are the sunflowers. They are doing really, really good. These are from, I up potted those. So they was just planted on February the 16th. So we're almost about 30 days in with these. Are they time to go out for them in the, like, go outside in the ground? I think so. See, that's the first two leaves. Second, okay, so those are ready. They might be ready. They might be ready to go outside, y'all. All right, and while we are already here, let's go ahead and do an update on our cantaloupes, potatoes, and onions. Okay, so here are our cantaloupes. They look like they are enjoying their home. As you can see, we got, what is it, Haley's Best cantaloupe, and we got a honeydew orange melon. So that's all out here. Oh my God. All right, and our potatoes are out here. They are doing good in this bucket. You can see those coming up. You can see we got some celery that's coming up, and we got onions that we are praying that's gonna come up. Let's do an update on our coleus. As you can see, they're still small, but they're doing a whole lot better now. They're starting to get a little color on them. I just placed them outside to see if they can get some sun. You can see the ones back here in the back maybe kind of died off. This first tray right here almost look like they're dying off. But we're not gonna count them out just yet. We hope for them to grow. We already can see where it's 2, 4, 6. We got pretty few. So we're just hoping that that's gonna go ahead and get bigger. And by y'all sitting here watching my videos, y'all can see the progress that we got with these. And we grew these from seeds. All right, chat. All right, YouTube, everybody that's watching, this is the end of the video. I know it's kind of short today, but I was just giving you guys a garden update. If you can do me a favor, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for me. I thank y'all so much. I see the subs going up. Thank y'all so much. On the road to 100 subs. I'll be documenting it along the way. So catch you in the next one.